Hi, welcome to Java interview coding questions. Today we'll try to write a Java program on how to compress the given string abbcccd4d into a1b2c3d4 a1. Okay, here by simply observing the given input you can understand what will be the output, which means that how many number of times a particular character is appeared consecutively in the given input, right? A is appeared consecutively here for one time, so A1. B is appeared consecutively for two times, so B2. C is appeared consecutively for three times, C3. D is appeared consecutively for four times, so D4. And then A is appeared consecutively for one time, so it is A1, right? So for this particular requirement, we need to write a program. So first I will try to take the input in the form of a string str equal to a double b triple c or 4c followed by triple d, right? Whatever input might be. After processing, I am going to store my result into a variable called result variable, which is of type string. In order to process the given string, how many number of times a particular character is appeared consecutively like that, I need to go for traversing. For that I am going to use looping technique for int I equal to 0, and I need to traverse it for until the end of the string. So str dot length I plus plus. Okay, here the basic thing is when I am going to traverse it for the first time, means when my index value is 0, that should be the definitely in the output. Am I right or not? Right? So a compulsory has to be appeared in the result. So for that I am going to append result equal to result plus str dot caret of that respect to position, right? It is going to be a 0th one only. Am I right? So why I have mentioned the specifically this case means this is going to be a compulsory one. Okay, fine. If it is not the first character, then what might be other chances are there? Str dot caret of 5 might be equal to str dot caret of previous character. Hope you understood, right? If I am going to print at this particular b and which is going to be matched with this particular b, am I right? Yes. So at this situation I have to increment its count value. So in order to maintain its count, how many number of times a particular character is matched, I am going to use one count variable int count equal to 0. There might be a chance it is also not matched, else if str dot caret of I might not equal to str dot caret of I minus 1. When it is not matched, what you have to do? You have to reset the count variable value to 1, because that is going to be appeared for again one time. That's it. Count equal to 1. But before going to reset, what about the earlier process? That should be added to the result. So result plus count plus the present character str dot caret of I. Good. Fine. So let us try to check what will be the output. Sys out of result I am going to print, right? If you are able to observe, if you try to execute it, you are going to get A0, B2, C4 and this, and I am not going to get the last sequence count. Guys, why you are going to get A0? It is because here you have to add count again. This is going to be definitely appeared for one time, so count equal to 1. Now if you are going to execute this one, A1, B2, C4 and D, right? And what about the last character character count? It is not displaying. It is not displaying. It is because of we are not going to append the count if I double equal to str dot length minus 1. When it is reaches to the end of the string, I need to append this one, result equal to result plus count. I am going to save this one and I am going to execute it. Now observe A1, B2, C4 and D3, right? Now let us try to give this input. if I am going to execute this one, a1 b2 c3 d4 and a1, right? So this is the way you can able to write a simple program which is satisfy the given requirement, right? Guys, this is a kind of a traditional approach. In the next video we'll try to move with hash mapping process. Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.